on its inaugural run. This is a wonderful gift to the people of two Telugu states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. This is a momentous occasion and a proud moment to be cherished. The train has started on its auspicious journey to Tirupati, the abode of Lord Venkateshwara Swami. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री द्वारा हरी झंडी के संकेत पर वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस अपने गंतव्य की ओर बढ़ रही है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व का क्षण है। It's a happy moment for the people of two Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. మన తెలుగు ప్రజలకు ఎంతో ప్రీతిపాత్రమైన వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి కొలువైన ఆధ్యాత్మిక క్షేత్రం తిరుమలకు ఈ వందే భారత్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ మరింత వేగవంతంగా చేర్చనుంది. The two Telugu states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are about to see their connect getting stronger thanks to India's fully indigenous semi-high-speed train Vande Bharat Express. The city of Hyderabad is getting linked with Tirupati, gateway to the abode of Lord Venkateshwara and Goddess Padmavati, by the fastest and most comfortable rail service offering best-in-class travel experience. The commencement of the new Vande Bharat Express, second such service for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, is a testimony of the transformational path embarked by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Garu towards modernizing rail infrastructure to attain international standards and showcase a giant leap in the transport scenario of India. The connectivity also espouses the commitment of Indian Railways to provide utmost convenience to pilgrims. यह वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश की जनता के लिए एक अनुपम भेंट है।